everyone. Today I got a hold of the Ruko F11 Pro drone, and I decided to go ahead and buy it. I got it from Amazon. Actually cost me $299. Call it, give or take, $300 plus tax. Maybe it was like $315. The drones that I usually tested out back in the days were just the ones that cost like $20 indoor. This year, I decided, you know what, why not just go out and just buy something that I can play around with outside. I did my research. This drone is apparently very popular, and right now, as you can see, I'm just showing you the inside of the box. It came with this unique case, pretty cool, good quality. Definitely highly recommend. As you can see here, that's the controller, and then along with this is the actual drone, which is foldable, which I thought that was a pretty unique. And there's your camera. Just walk you through this. Looks like the unique thing, as you can see on the top, it's already comes in with a battery connected to the drone, and then there's an extra battery. So maybe that was the cost for that $300, and that's the extra blades as needed. Inside that case, as you can see, here's your quick start along with the manual. Pretty straightforward. It walks you through step by step. Definitely you need to get that app to download on your phone, and then it'll just walk you through the step by step. What's really important that I learned is make sure that the GPS works. So here is, I'm showing you a video I tested out this morning. There was no wind, so slightly just a little wind. As you can see, I tried to test it out in my backyard. Hopefully my neighbors did not get upset. Right now, this defaulted as a beginner mode, which means they said it's about 30 meters. So give or take what we're looking at here, 90 feet high and 90 feet wide. The cool thing is I did not know that I was in a beginner mode until I accidentally exceeded that distance, and the drone automatically pushes itself back into that parameter. So as beginners, definitely I highly recommend you to stay in beginner mode until you fully control this drone. As you can see here, I'm just flying it around the backyard. First time testing out an outdoor drone, so I was a little bit scared in the beginning. Maybe not a good area to test just because I'm around the neighborhood. But overall, I like the quality. It handled itself very smoothly and very user-friendly. So here, I'm just going to go ahead and speed it up. As you can see, I'm still here struggling with flying the drone. Maybe it's I'm moving it too fast. There was a setting to adjust the speed. Maybe that's why there's not much of a stability on the video. But also, to be honest with you, like I said before, this is my first time flying this drone. So as you can see, I'm just testing it out. Not bad for $300. Definitely worth every penny. Very solid. It handled itself very well, especially flying it here in the backyard. I know I'm not supposed to do it, but figured why not. I had to test it out and see what it's capable of. Right now, as you guys can see, once again, it's still in beginner mode. I think maybe after 5 flights, very user friendly. Definitely you can get used to it, but I'm thinking for myself, I need at least 5 to 10 flights before I can disconnect it. Once you get it, and the manual walks you through a lot of steps. There's because of the GPS coordinates, you can definitely connect the coordinates. You can preset up to 16 points to have the drone fly to those certain destinations. So if you wanted it to fly around the house in a square format or shape, you could definitely do that by just clicking on that map and coordinate it. I didn't show you my phone on how the setting looks like, but definitely there's a lot of videos that walks you through this. But I wanted to just show you this as a beginner, what to expect without having any experience with flying outdoor drones. Overall, it's very stable. What I like about it is once it's in the air and I let go of the controller, it stays in the air, tries to stable itself at that specific height, and then just ready to move. Also, you can adjust the camera from up and down movement. Right now, I think I'm just overall just messing around with it. And at this point, I'm just trying to look through my phone and see if I can actually fly through just by looking at the phone. As you can see right now, it's over the house. Definitely don't want to fly over too many other houses. But overall, I highly recommend this drone. If you guys want to just check it out, definitely go for it. Like I said before, it's worth every penny. At this point, I think it's time to return it back home. There's 2 options where you can manually just bring it in, or you can click on the controller where there's a button that says return home. At this point, I think I'm just trying to get it closer to me and then try to see if I can just bring it home. And as you can see, at this point, I'm just gonna click on that return home button and try to see if it does its magic. And I just clicked on it, and now we're trying to see exactly what happens. There it is. As you can see, it's landing on its own, and it's trying to return back to where it started. So it was off by a couple feet, but still solid on.